Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we'll discuss the best 3D printer for D&D miniatures. That 3D printer is specifically for users that want to make the most accurate and detailed miniatures with 3D printers. We all know that a quality 3D printer can make or break an artist's career, which is why it's important to choose the right one. To help you out, we've done the hard work for you and chosen the top 3D printers that is perfect for making miniatures. The best output from this printer is clean and precise, with zero distortion of the miniature's details. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is Snapmaker 3-in-1 3D printer. If you're looking for a 3D printer that can bring your miniatures to life with precision and quality, the Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 printer is your ultimate choice. This advanced 3D printer is not just a 3D printer, it also doubles as a laser engraver and CNC carver, making it the ultimate creative tool for your D&D projects. One of the many highlights of this printer is its expansive work area. With a build volume of up to 320 by 350 by 330 millimeters in the A350T model, this printer can handle larger models or multiple miniatures in a single print. Its modular design allows you to add various modules and accessories for even more creative possibilities. Are you worried about noise during the printing process? The Snapmaker team has thoughtfully addressed this with their noise reduction chip and lead optimization on the linear module. This printer runs quietly, creating a peaceful work environment. Besides its technical features, the Snapmaker 2.0 printer is stylish and sophisticated, adding a touch of elegance to your workspace. With its top-of-the-line technology and sleek design, this printer is a worthy investment for any D&D enthusiast. If you want to buy the 3D printer, check the link in the description box to buy it.